Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Clubhouse application not working problem on Android. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So to fix the Clubhouse problem, what you need to do, first of all, make sure that your data connection is well, okay and good. So make sure that your internet connection is well, okay and good. So if it is okay, and if you are facing some problem to use the Clubhouse application, then what you need to do here, you have to just go to Play Store once on your Android, and here after going to Play Store, just search for Clubhouse, and you have to check whether your Clubhouse is asking for any update or not. So if it is asking for update, make sure to update your Clubhouse. After updating, if it is working, then fine. If it is not working, then what you need to do, the next thing what you have to do here is you have to simply go to your phone settings here. So after going to phone settings here, you have to scroll down and go to app management here. So after going to app management or install apps or apps on your device, it's different on different Android phones. So in my phone there is app management, so there will on your phone will be install apps or manage apps or something like that. So after going here, you go to a list of the application, manage apps, and here you have to search for Clubhouse. So you can see this is the Clubhouse. So what you need to do here, you have to click on force stop button, and then you have to stop the force, and then click on storage usage, simply tap on storage usage, and then you have to clear the data as well as you have to clear the cache. Okay, so now go back, and here this type of interface will pop up. Click on permission option, simply tap on permission, and then you have to allow each and every permission here. So now after allowing, just go back and check whether it is working or not. So guys, if it is not working again, then what you need to do here, you have to go back to your phone settings, and then after going back to your phone settings here, you can see software updates. Simply tap on software update, and you have to check whether your system is asking for an update or not. So if your system is asking for an update, make sure to update your system, and the problem will definitely solve. Thanks for watching.